Hello and welcome to week 4 of LIBS 301. This week we will be looking at the information literacy step of find. So for this week, hello and welcome to week 4 of LIBS 301. This week we'll be looking at the information literacy step of find. So for this week, for our to-do list, for required materials that I would like you guys to look through is first our week 4 instructor video. We have 2 videos from How Library Stuff Works, which is Boolean operators and Boolean modifiers. Then we have our subject-specific databases and how to search them. And then a quick introduction to government websites video. We have 2 assignments that are due this week, which is a midterm check-in as well as a What Are You Finding post. For supplemental materials to look through, we have how to search for relevant literature fast using Boolean operators, our Boolean operators quick guide, examples and tips article, and then the link to USA.gov website. So for this week's terms and concepts. First, we have Library Catalog. This is an electronic database that describes the books, movies, newspapers, and magazines, etc. that are owned and carried by a library. The library database, on the other hand, is an online searchable collection of information that is organized and made accessible. The catalog is looking more at books. The databases are looking more at articles. Now, a scholarly article is an article written by researchers or experts in a field in order to share the results of their original research or analysis with other researchers and/or students. We also have peer review. So this is an extensive process by which a scholarly article is evaluated and reviewed by a group of experts in the same field. Reviewers look for bias, inaccurate information, poor research methods, and unoriginality from the submission. Boolean operators are simple words of and, or, and not used as conjunctions to combine or exclude keywords in a search. And a thing to note about these, the and, or, and not need to be capitalized in all caps when you are using them within your keywords to search. Now, Boolean modifiers are a technique to further expand, refine, and improve a search. These include parentheses, quotation marks, and asterisks. And again, we have those 2 videos as well as the other resources to really help you guys understand how to use both the operators and the modifiers. Next, we have Digital Library, and this is a collection of digital materials such as ebooks, digitized books, videos, and other resources that can be accessed and searched online. And finally, we have government documents. So this is a blanket term used to categorize any information created, published, and shared by a government agency at either the local, state, federal, or international level. So our information literacy concept for this week. So we are looking at the second step, which is find. So when we find, we are locating the needed information effectively and efficiently. So we have already created our research questions and keywords, and we did that post. And this week we are looking at the what are you finding and not finding post. So we're actually going out, searching and finding and seeing what's out there. So before we start searching, here's a few things that I would like you guys to be thinking of and doing before you ever dive into the databases. So first, mix and match your keywords. Don't just use the same 2 or 3 keywords or what you used for keywords in your research question when you are searching. Also, combine your phrases. So use Boolean modifiers of and, or, and not. Also, determine where you want to search. So figure out which databases you need to be looking at and if there's online options such as government sites that you need to be considering when finding sources. Now, searching the databases. So I have provided 3 videos for you guys to be looking for, and it helps you kind of figure out which databases to be searching based on your subject area. So I want you guys to select and watch the database searching video that correlates with your major or subject area. So the 3 options are the nursing databases, social work databases, and business databases. If you're unsure of which video to watch, please reach out to me and we can discuss which database video best correlates with your subject area. Now, searching government websites. The quick introduction to government websites video highlights a good number of sites to be searching and how to search them, and the USA.gov is linked in Brightspace for easy access. Government websites are wonderful to search, and this video really goes into things like census.gov, which gives really good demographic information, USA.gov, which is kind of the overall blanket database collection for government sources, but it also looks at how to search .gov sites using Google searches. So for this week's to-do list, we have materials that I need you guys to be looking at. So first we have our instructor video. We have 2 videos from McMaster Libraries, which is the How Library Stuff Works, so our Boolean operators and the Boolean modifier videos. A YouTube video from Bishop Mueller Library, so please watch only your majors video. So searching nursing databases, searching social work databases, or searching business databases. And then we also have a YouTube video from Abby Adams, which is the quick intro to government websites. For supplemental materials, we have a video from Scribber of how to search for relevant literature using fast Boolean operators, as well as the article that correlates with it. And again, I have also linked the USA.gov website for easy access. For assignments for this week, we have our midterm check-in, and this is optional and it's completely anonymous, but it does give me kind of information about what's working, what needs to kind of be fixed, both for the course in general, and if we can kind of shift a few things moving forward in the next 4 weeks, please let me know. I value all feedback that is given. And then also we have our What Are You Finding post. So you'll be discussing what you are and are not finding within your searches. So discuss what's out there, what you're struggling to find, all of that good stuff. Please remember to respond to 2 of your classmates. The initial post is due on Thursday, and please respond to your classmates by Sunday. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I am more than happy to help. You can always email me or set up a one-on-one meeting, either virtual or in person, and have a great rest of your week.